A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Howdy, my name Bertram. We want to read for you from the Jamaican New Testament. Matthew chapter 24, we are start at verse 3. When Jesus did a sit down upon Mount Olive, him follower them come to him one side and say, Tell we, and when all of them sit down go happen? And now what kind of sign I go show say you will come back and the world soon done? So Jesus said to them, say, Watch out. No make nobody fool you up. Cause a whole heap of people will come use up my name and I say, me a Christ. And me God send to save people. And them go fool up enough people. You no go hear say war a go on a woy and war a go on under uno nose. But make sure say uno no frightened, you know. Cause all of them sitting here have to go on. But none of them they no mean the world done yet. Cause one set of people go war against one next set of people. And kingdom go fight against kingdom. Food go short in enough place. And whole heap of people go starve. On top of that, earthquake go come shake up different place. All of them sitting here are just the first set of labor pain we uno go feel when the new world are born. When that happen, them are go take uno and give uno over to the people them we go punish uno and kill uno. And cause uno follow me, people from all about go eat uno. All the people go give up on top follow me. Them go sell out them one another and eat them one another. Enough false prophet go come out and trick up whole heap of people. And cause wickedness go spread like wildfire. Most people heart go turn cold and them now go bother love people like one time. But all who hang on and turn up strong no matter what, them are go get saved. And the good news about God's kingdom have to go preach all over the world. So everybody will get the chance to hear the truth. And only after that, the world are go done. But before that happen, we go and see what the prophet Daniel went talk about when he did a chat about the wicked sitting we go against God and dirty God's house. Or we turn up in a God place. Make sure say everybody will read this up, understand what it means. Them time there, who there Judea for run we go up at the mountain them, who the pan rooftop, nothing come down come take out nothing out of them house. And the one them where the Ghana bush, nothing turn back for no jacket. Water sitting in a them time there for the woman them we have baby in a belly and for mother we have young baby. Prayer. Say uno now if you go run when storm a come or in a rainy time and upon the Sabbath day neither. Them time there, people are going to suffer bad. Sufferation never so wicked from the world and make till now. And nobody now will ever suffer so again. And if God name make up him mind say him go cut down how long that time they feel last, nobody would live. But sake of the people them with him pick, him make up him mind say him go cut it down. That time there, if somebody come and say, look here, see Christ here, or look, see him there, no follow them. Cause people are going to come say them are the one where God sent to save people when not no go so. And some false prophet are going to show up too. Them people there are going to work all kind of miracle and show all kind of sign for trick up people. Down to all the people them where God pick the false prophet them with trick up if them they get the chance. Or no better member. Say me when tell one of them sitting here before them happen. So if somebody go say, look here, him in the desert, no go out there. Or if them say, look here, in my idea so, no listen them. Cause just like all lightning flash from east or west and everybody see it, I see him so the man with God pick I go come back. Everybody I go see him. Anyway, the dead body there. A deso drunko I go gather. A God word is. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.